Member Calgary-Fish Creek.
A year and a half ago, this government promised change for seniors in care. On March 5, 2013, the former Minister of Health announced continuing care residents will receive a minimum of 2 baths a week, effective immediately. The minister said it's an issue of dignity. This morning at Public Accounts, we learned that this dignity is still being denied to Alberta seniors. Officials admitted that a number of seniors in care were still not even being offered 2 baths a week. Can the minister explain why, a year and a half after the government promised seniors their dignity, they're still not getting it?
The Honourable Minister of Health.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. As we indicated this morning, well over 80% of the facilities are compliant with 2-bath options, and by the end of the year we will have 100% compliant. 2 baths a week is an option if appropriate. We have to look at what is appropriate for the care, and the only rule is whatever is appropriate based on the care plan. The care plan, as outlined by the Auditor General, was the one that determines how we deal with the individual. So that's how we do it.
For a supplement.
Minister, we're talking about hundreds of seniors that still aren't getting baths. Come on, please. Minister, this is about dignity. Your government is failing to enforce the standards that you yourself have set for the most vulnerable people in our province. A year and a half ago, we were told that seniors could access 2 baths per week. Immediately, in fact, the Minister of Seniors at the time said, I want to stress that 2 baths is a minimum. If a resident requires more, they will receive more. Turns out that's not actually happening. Minister, this is a broken promise. What are you going to do about it?
Mr. Speaker, we've committed to ensuring that all of our individuals living in the care facilities, long-term care, we've properly taken care of. And whatever that requirement is, we'll make sure we do it. We care passionately about the people. We'll continue to do that. Right now, the policy is if those who need 2 baths a week, they'll have 2 baths a week. We wish it was done sooner, but it will be done the end of this month. This is the 9th. That's 22 days.
Mr. Speaker, we're talking about a year and a half. These seniors have been waiting for baths. Mr. Speaker, the new management has failed to follow through on a promise made to Alberta's most vulnerable. It failed to provide even the dignity and basic compassion of 2 baths a week to seniors in care. It's shameful. Albertans were promised better, and actually they deserve better. The Department of Health began updating the continuing care health service standards 3 years ago, and the Auditor General says that it's still not complete. We have the old standards being ignored and the new standards in limbo. Minister, can you look Albertans in the eye and tell them that you've made progress?
Mr. Speaker, with the cooperation of the Seniors Minister and with the support of the Premier, we have made great strides in ensuring that our seniors community who are in the facilities we either sponsor or we own are taken care of incredibly well. They're unbelievably valuable to us. They are our parents, our cousins, our family members. We care deeply about them. And to insinuate that we wouldn't take care of them properly is not accurate.